Welcome to my vlog. This is Jhargram. I mean, this is a district right now. So we came here yesterday at a resort that is within the jungle, and it's named Gramir Badi. So I'll give you an overview of how it looks. So this is all about the jungle, and it is just, you know, within this jungle that they have made. It is around 2 kilometers from the main road. That's the state highway that would take you down to Gramir Badi. So it's an exquisite place where you get to have the touch of a village home, though you have like the facilities of AC, Wi-Fi to everything within the cottages. Now I'll take you through this, and probably you like it. So the owner of this place is a close friend to me. So if you just want to visit this exquisite place, you can just take the reference. I'll be putting that in the link below, and along with his number. So you can just come in and refer my name, and probably the best of the discounts that will be provided to you. So here it is. Here how we enter into Gramir Badi. So it's like the village hut. Now this happens to be the reception here. Although it's under construction, facilities are pretty open here. So it's an open place. It's around 50 kathas of land that has been actually utilized to make this. So this is the parking area, and this is a way to Gramir Badi. And there is a small bonfire ground here where you can continue with your bonfire at a price of 500 for the entire chicken. And it's a small playground. So there we have a pool behind this, and this happens to be the dining area. So these are the cottages. Those are present. So I'll take a walk around of the same. So this is the dormitory. This is the dormitory for your drivers. So they would be getting the facility down there. This is a recreation zone where recreation is done here. Options of sound play, with light folk music. So this is the kitchen hub. If you just want to have something, you'll have to come here, or you might just call up from the intercom and use your services. So there are 4 single cottages there. So those are at a price of around 1,300 per night, only for lodging. And these are the dual cottages. So here it's a double-story cottage, and the price for this is around 2,700 per night, excluding food. So it gives you a touch of the entire village. This is completely facilitated with electricity, air conditioners, geysers, Wi-Fi. This is where I have my car parked, and you can park anywhere around the place. This is my bike. So there's enough piece of land here, and if we closely go deeper into it, what we can find is, as this is within the jungle, so there is there are times when elephants come in number. Like yesterday night there were around 40 elephants which came in. So they have taken up a security measure all through the resort in plunging these big drains, so that there is no trespassing of any wild animals, just to harm the security of the tourists coming in here. So these are cashew nut trees all through, as we can see, all blooming around. So probably this season you get to watch a lot of cashew nuts here. So for the fooding and all, you get all bong food, Chinese food. So you can just opt in for anything that you feel, and there is no restriction in your food. If you are trying to look in for your drinks, by that what I mean is your evening drinks, so obviously then you'll have to put up an order and probably they'll be arranging that for you. So here it is. Take you around the dining area now. Just keep on enjoying the video. There are a lot of wild animals present here. I mean, apart from that, the pets are also available. So from bunnies to ducks, chicken, everything is here. So this is the dining area. It's open for dining, and those are the cottages. Those are available. So if you want to come down here, you'll have to take the route from Kolkata to Kolaghat, and from Kolaghat you'll have to head in for Kharagpur Expressway. From Kharagpur Expressway you'll find this place on the right. Rather than taking the left, if you take the right, you'll be ending up to Jhargram. So this is a district town right now, as I said. So quite an exquisite place, around 176 kilometers from Calcutta city, and pretty awesome for a stay. If you like my video, yeah, do comment on it, show some support so that I can keep continuing vlogging. So of late I had been very new here, and this is what I had been doing for long, but now that I am doing it on a professional basis, I hope to get support from you guys so that I continue with this. Thank you. Subscribe to my channel if you like it, and looking for more travel videos upcoming.